Hello everyone, welcome back to K2 Blogging, and in today's video I am going to show you how you can enable category section inside your pages. So as you know, WordPress only allow to assign categories inside the post section, but you can enable categories in pages section, or you can also enable tags in the pages section, so that you can use filters or you can categorize them. So you can categorize your pages and use in different post grid or templates. So let's check how you can enable that. So you have two options: either you can use a plugin for that, or you can use a custom code snippet for that. So most people do is they will install a plugin like this, pages with category and tags. You can see it has around 60,000 plus active installations, but you don't need a plugin to enable a simple settings in WordPress. All you have to do is just copy a code snippet like this. So to enable category, let me copy this code snippet and I will go to my WordPress dashboard, and here you can use any code manager plugin. So as you can see, I am here using the code snippet plugin. So let me click on add new and let me paste this PHP code here, and I can set like category in pages. So to remember this code, and I will click on activate. After that, it will enable categories in the pages section. So let me click that, and as you can see, now you will see the category option in the pages as well. So if you click on here, you will see all the categories. So let me click on pages here, and suppose I want to assign some of the pages a category. So let me select all these pages and I will click on edit, click on apply, and here I can choose a category. So let me choose this as a service category. Let me hit update, and as you can see, all these pages are now linked to services category. So this is how we can enable categories in WordPress inside pages. You can also enable tags. So for this, all you have to do is copy a code like this, just copy it and just edit this snippet. So let me click on edit and let me hit enter here, and I can name it like category and tags. Let me save changes. Now let's go to the pages sections. Now you can see the tags is now coming in pages as well. So you can assign a tag in pages as well. So this is how simple it is to assign categories inside pages. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, and you will get the link of this code snippet in the description, or you can also use a plugin to do that. And I will see you in the next one. Thank you.